Today we're looking at a pretty major design flaw in the Ryobi P423 brushless angle grinder. This seems pretty simple to me, but I guess not to Ryobi. So let's throw a little common sense their way. This is an angle grinder.
That's an angle grinder. That's been gutted.
That's been trashed. It's made to grind metal and cut metal.
As well as many other things.
What do you think happens to a circuit board when it gets coated in fine metal particles? Well, bad things happen. That's what. When you design a tool with delicate electronic parts, you must protect them. I know you can't see this on the video, so I'll try to add photos, but what we have is an unprotected board on the monitor side.
On the motor side.
And the other side of it has a heat sink with some thermal pads. This is where the fireworks happen. On mine, it looks like metal dust got trapped between the pads and on the components shorted
it and left out the magic smoke.
Why is it magic?
You understand, when electronics die, they always make a little poof of smoke. And it stinks. Here, smell how that smells.
Okay, now we're...
This board, second line down.
To keep the board from...
This board should have been coated with conformal coating to keep the board from shorting out.
At best, this is a massive oversight.
Yep. And the fool who neglected to make sure this was done should be canned. At worst, this is penny-pinching greed, and it's making me second-guess my trust in this brand. I struggle to recommend this tool. On one hand, I like it a lot. It has plenty of power for what I do. I'm a homeowner and I work in apartment maintenance, so my tools get used more than the average homeowner, but less than a contractor. I have two of these. This one with a cutoff wheel and the other has a grinding wheel. This weekend I was building a propane storage cage for 20-pound cylinders, using this one to cut the angle iron and the other to grind and clean where they would be welded together. The cutoff grinder always gets a little more use than the grinding one, so I expect it to die soon as well. But until now, it has given me great service, and I much prefer the brushless grinders over the non-brushless ones because of the power. This brings me to the other hand. To make the brushless last as long as the non-brushless, the only two options I see are to have an extra one on hand and deal with the 6 to 8 week repair time, and trash it when it dies the next time if the warranty is up. Or void my warranty by opening mine up and sealing between the board and the heatsink with clear silicone and trying to coat the other side of the board with conformal coating without unsoldering the motor leads from the board. So here are some thoughts for you. In my opinion, this tool possesses more than enough power for most jobs, but the price versus the longevity leaves a lot to be desired. The non-brushless P421 can get most jobs done, but does lack power. But the price and the longevity, in my experience, are worth it. Please let me know in the comments what you guys think and your experiences with the two. Your turn.
I hope knowing all this helps you with your buying decision. Please take the time to like, subscribe, and share to help me
grow this channel. when we reach 30,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a brand new Ryobi right angle drill.
Thank you.